this tokenized stock, like I was saying before, the reason why tokens have value is because there's something behind it backing it usually. In this case, it's a custodian. And these are like the people like BactFi that we mentioned or Ondo. What these people do is that they hold on to the actual stock and they get into a contractual arrangement with you. And they say, you have this stock, you want to put it on chain, I will hold on to the actual stock for you and I will emit some token that is worth like equivalent to this stock. And that stock token will go to your wallet and then you can do whatever you want with it pretty much. Like that is like what happens. And that's why it has value, because there's an actual stock somewhere. That is the thing, like the actual stock. And you're getting a digital representation of that you can do whatever you want with. Then there are questions to be asked about how is this custody being handled? What does the provenance look like? What is this custodian doing? Like how are they doing all these things? Like can you audit this whenever you feel like it? But that is what's happening. It's just someone is holding on to the actual stock and then giving you a digital representation.
I'm getting the sense of like thing I'm saying where it's like they just made it so it's a token on a blockchain and it moves around. That's like quite accurate. In fact, like
that's exactly what's happening.
It's stat basic in some weird way. Someone could say something's a tokenized stock, but that doesn't make it actually what you mean by a tokenized stock. Someone saying this is a tokenized stock and they actually are doing the stuff you're saying, which is like they literally just took a stock, which, you know, wouldn't be a sheet of paper in these days. But like imagine the way 20 years ago, some people would have like a sheet of paper that says you're a stockholder of the blah, blah, blah corporation. Person takes the paper, puts it in a stack that says, do not sell these because we put token version on the blockchain. Until we delete that token, we can't get rid of this stock.
I'll give you a better example. In your Vanguard or your Fidelity or whatever account, when you look and you see the stocks you have, those stocks aren't on your phone in your account, literally.
How dare you?
What happens is that there's a database somewhere that this company has, this institution has, that says this is the amount of the stock this person has. In the exact same way, there's a database, the blockchain, that now says this is the amount of the stock you have. Whereas they're like the custody is double because it's like the blockchain is a database and the custodian's actually holding the stock. Whereas in the case of the like Fidelity or Vanguard or wherever else, the database and the custody is happening at the exact same entity. It's the exact same place. It's the exact same thing.